Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing unboxing Xray XB4 19 edition. This is 4-wheel drive car for 110 scale off-road car. And here is the manual and some stickers, part numbers, and here are diff cases. Here are shocks and springs, pistons, shock shafts. Here are all battery braces. This is under for speedo, so you can change your speedo just removing 2 screws. And there's a motor plate for motor mounting. Here are back of wishbones, some screws, and all the bearings are in the same box, so remember, take that first. There are some spare screws, and here are diffs, front and rear, and gears. Here are diff oils, shock oil, and a hoodie graphite. So here is the spur slipper pads. So this car has slipper in the middle, so no gear diffs at the middle anymore. Here's the steering rack and servo saver. And here are caster blocks, steering blocks, drive shafts, and here are braces for chassis. Here is the new body. It's a little bit different shape than old one. Old one has shark fin here, but this one looks different. And the wing, wheels, and the main chassis. This looks same as last year's. Yeah, side protectors, antenna, and this is for the body mounting. So this was unboxing XB4 19 edition, and now I will start to build it, and after that I will test and race it. Hope you enjoy it, and see you next time. Thank you.